breath smells like a...
Like what? What's his breath smell like?
The following broadcast has issued a law enforcement warning for Robson County until further notice at 5:25 p.m. Today is September 23, 2024. I want to let you know that me and my 4 dingies are Mimon's grandchildren. They're going to be in the EAS scenario on September 28th. See you in the next situation.
Babe, Tyrone just knocked himself out, and... Where's Lil Boogie?
Following message is transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Public Health. This is a national emergency. Important thing will following broadcast has issued a civil danger warning for Robeson and Columbus County until further notice. These towns include Lombard, Pembroke, Maxton, Parkton, St. Paul's, Boardman, Rinnert, Red Springs, Chadbourn, Lake Waccamaw, Whiteville, Evergreen, and McDonald, North Carolina. If you live in these sites, please take shelter. Wendy Britt's 5 grandchildren are named Roland Locklear, Odell and Britt, Colton Sampson, Kinsley Britt and John Lyle Holden. If you see these grandchildren, call 911.
Sir, my stepson is on
Listen,
a date.
I don't give a damn.
The following broadcast has issued a civil emergency message for North Carolina until further notice. These counties include Guilford County, Robson County, Columbus County, Brunswick County, and Maxton. Please seek shelter immediately before they stab you with a knife. These names are called Roland Locklear, Adeline Britt, Sampson, Kinsley Britt, and John Lau. If you see this, call 911 back from the past. Stay tuned for more information. This is not a test.